vlog, and today's vlog is gonna be super special because it's December, it's Christmas season, and we are gonna be doing Christmas cookie exchange today. So there are gonna be 4 ladies. One is coming on its way. Ashley, Mary over here, me, and Zoe is coming, and then Elliot is over there, handsome guy, the dude. So we are gonna be baking 2 cookies, 2 different type of cookies each, and then in the end we're gonna exchange and we're gonna enjoy all the cookies. And Mayank is here on his lunch break, so once the cookies are done, he's gonna enjoy his cookies. Not his cookies, all the other cookies basically. So yeah, he's gonna be a tester. So we are getting all our stuff ready. Everything is here that we need, and we are super excited to see everyone's cookie because everyone is going like out of their way to make that beautiful cookie. So excited. Are you ready to bake some cookies?
Yeah.
Can I see your apron? Playing in my mud kitchen. Wow, I love your apron. And then I am here in my apron already. Let's see what it says. Never trust a skinny cook. And Mary says Mama's kitchen. And that one doesn't say anything.
Alright, while I'm still on my lunch break, I can do one thing for Tanya before I go back to work, is see what everybody is cooking. So let's go check that out. Our contestant number 1 is Tanya herself. What are you cooking?
So right now I'm making peppermint chocolate cookie with peppermint frosting.
And what is your second cookie?
And my second is chocolate chip cookie with white chocolate and marshmallows.
Alrighty. Ashley, what are you cooking with Elliot?
We're making frosting right now for the sugar cookies.
What kind of cookies are you making?
Like a chocolate crinkle cookie, and then I don't remember the one.
Awesome. So 2 cookies, chocolate something cookies, and I don't remember cookies. They are gonna be awesome.
Butter.
Okay.
Peanut butter cookies with a Hershey Kiss in this house.
All right. All right, Zoe.
Yes.
How are you feeling? What are you cooking?
I'm making one chocolate chunk cookies, and then the other one is chocolate chips cookies.
Ooh.
Me too!
Those are the 2 cookies that you have on your website. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Mary, what are you cooking?
I am making, what do they call? I don't know what they're called. It's just chocolate chip cookie sprinkles, and then Ritz peanut butter white chocolate cookies.
Ooh. There is gonna be a lot of chocolate chip cookies in this kitchen, and feel free to let us know when you want us to try any of those cookies when they're hot and out of the oven.
Yeah, the best part is the job of the testers.
Yeah, we are your sommeliers for the day, so just... Anyways, so we are excited to try all those cookies, let them have their fun while doing a Christmas cookie exchange, and Nitish and I gotta go back to work.
There's a small change in the... Oh, sorry.
If you need the butter, we got it in the microwave. Oh, yeah. Unless you need the pot.
What small change?
Small change in the plan. This is because this is a very homely and healthy competition. We testers will close our eyes and then taste everybody's cookie and write a number.
You can't give Ashley all the points.
So we don't know which cookie it
We
is.
just told you what we're making. Yeah.
They don't remember.
We don't even know which cookie it is. All right.
Well, if you like it, you gotta rate it.
Oh yeah, that's true. Chocolate is my soft point. So whoever adds chocolate, everybody gets full.
Well, then Zoe is making double chocolate cookie.
I'm also making 2 types of chocolate.
Yeah. Step 1.
Wax with nothing.
First batch of the cookies are out. Second ones, same ones are in the oven. Oh my god, they look delicious. So I'm just letting them cool down very nicely because I'm gonna do frosting on top of them. So they are cooling here and they look delicious. Right, I'm frosting my cookies here. I have already frosted these. I'm frosting here and then I'm gonna decorate with some sprinkles.
You don't need candles in this house today. There's so much cookie smell going on everywhere.
Alright, my last batch of cookies are done. And look how good they came out. Look at the marshmallow. My god. And this part is the best part. The crunchy one.
It's all sugar,
Yeah.
marshmallow melted.
Yep. And let me show the dining table what Mary is doing over there. Alright, she is setting up the table. Do you want to explain what you're doing over here?
I am putting the cookies randomly with the numbers so the guys can blind test them.
Okay, so the guys are gonna do blind tasting and then... Okay, yeah, we have three more.
Most chocolate one. Get this one for mine. This one. Yeah.
Alright.
The looks and then how it looks like I want to eat it. You know what I mean?
Like juicy on the outside, or you know, like looks wise. So. No, you know what? I'm actually doing wrong. We should rate by numbers 1 to 8. I really like the look of this. So let's start with number 1. What do you think?
I feel like 5 is supposed to.
Yeah, let's do 1 to 10.
Yeah, I mean 5 is like I have to give 1
Yeah.
to some cookies.
That's what I'm saying, because I feel
terrible.
like, like I feel like some of them are higher than half, but
Yeah,
then it's like you go
exactly.
up 1 half is too
Alright,
much.
10 highest,
Okay, yeah.
1 lowest, alright? Alright, so let's start with 1 first. Sprinkles are not my favorite. So I'll stick with something a little higher. I think that's almost over. You gotta try another flavor. Yeah, whatever you want. Alright, so it's a cute one.
1? I need a little plate.
Yeah. Pass me a plate then. 2 more plates for my opinion. Oh, thanks.
I'm starting to help you.
There you go. Alright. Time to rate some numbers here. Going for the second one. Peanut butter. You think it's peanut butter?
It is peanut butter.
100% peanut
The Reese could be peanut butter.
for sure.
Alright. Next one.
for me, but my taste is going to be very strict marking here.
No, I did not.
Can you stand away from us?
Sorry. I just looked.
The softer, the nicer for me.
I don't know how I felt about that texture. It's pretty good.
Daddy, I need to take a break.
Fifth. All right.
This is the one I've been waiting for.
Me too. The epic one.
Oh,
Let's break it from the center. Let's see if it got.
This is hands down my favorite. Without a doubt. 100%.
Oh my god.
See, the middle of it is got that perfect, but it's not too thick where it's like overpowering.
It's crunchy, but it's like
Exactly.
soft and gooey. That's my favorite kind of cookie.
That's how you make a cookie.
Yep.
Alright. Marks are in. I'll start.
Oh, you finished all the cookies? Oh.
Alright. Beautiful cookies, everyone. Good job. Just take a moment to clap. Hard work done, everyone. Alright. Out of all, for me, the best, the crunchiest, the softest, the gooeyest. That's what I like for.
That's the contestant of all three. And number one cookie.
Number one cookie that we all agreed on, and everybody liked it.
Wait, are you wait that's for the last? The number one for the last?
Oh, we can do that. Alright, let's stick with the number.
Okay.
So, for third, we all have
You
different
choose your
opinions.
third place. Choose your third place.
So,
And
this
why?
was my third place.
Oh.
Number fifth, the green one.
So third place kind of is a tie between three cookies.
Three cookies.
So this one, and this one.
Okay.
So those were the three cookies that were very hard to.
I really love the frosting on this one, but the crust was a little hard down.
Old teeth.
So, old teeth might fall. Alright, so second one that we all agreed, actually me and Tony agreed on was number 6. That was soft and had, sugar topping
So
on
with
it.
number 6, I had a little bit of input. It is strong in cocoa, less sweet. You can't taste the sweetness. So a little more sugar would have done it for me. That's just me.
There's another second winner on this one for him. That is
Which was number 3. This was second for me, but then number 2. This was the one.
this one.
Yeah.
It was the second time.
This was the perfect looking cookie in looks.
Perfect looking cookie for me. I got
Yeah.
it.
It's just because it was perfectly powder coated.
Exactly.
Everything,
I was waiting-
like
it was-
the breaks and everything. But then taste wise,
It looks
is
very elegant
least sweet in among all the cookies.
Very elegant cookie.
It
This
got
one.
second place because of the look.
Elegant.
So that's what.
This can be like a decor or something. Alright,
Anyway.
and the first cookie that we all agreed on. And
Yeah.
it was the crunchiest and the softest and the gooeyest.
The best
was
cookie.
Number 8.
So we didn't tally until the end, but by far all of us, number 8 was the perfect textured cookie, like crunchy on the outline, outer boundaries, and then the core. This one lost because the core became solid. It's not
Okay.
as gooey as that one. But yeah,
Well, that is supposed
all
to be
the
crunchy,
good.
but anyways.
Yeah, I mean, another advantage you had was this came out towards the end. So this was soft.
that doesn't matter.
You can taste these, it will be the same. You can taste these.
But,
Yeah.
but wonderful job done. Give a moment to clap.
Yeah.
We loved all the cookies and all the cookies we ate.
You
We
guys
love
have
the
to
sweet
finish
potato
the
taste
whole
in this one also, Zoe. That was wonderful.
thing. Okay, cool.
Right, my one, the very famous one that I always make, became number 1. the cookie exchange is done. We have a whole box full of cookies and then 2 Ziplocs over here that we're taking home. So everyone got exchanged the cookies and now we are heading home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in my next vlog. So until then, bye.